Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to add Google Tag Manager code in your WordPress. First of all, you need to go to Google Tag Manager and here you need to create an account. First of all, you need to write your company name. I'll type free chat GPT and then you need to select your country. Then you need to provide your website URL. I'll copy it from here and I'll paste it here. Once you have provided your company URL, then you need to select target platform. I'll click on web and then I'll click on create. I'll accept the data processing terms and then I'll click on yes. Okay, so it has provided me the code below, and this code is for header and this code is for body. I'll copy the head code. Then I'll go back to my WordPress. Here I'll bring my cursor to plugins and then I'll click on add new. You need to type insert header and footer and then you need to install this insert header and footer and then activate it. I have already installed insert header and footer, so I'll go to settings section and from here you can see here is the option of headers and footer. I'll click on it. Now from the Google Tag Manager, I copied header code. I'll paste it here and then I'll go back to Google Tag Manager and copy the body code and I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on Save Changes and the settings have been saved. This is how you can add Google Tag Manager code in your WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.